Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily diagnose and fix your battery draining fast on Motorola Razr Fold. So, this right here is the Motorola Razr Fold. It is folded now, and first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into settings, and in the settings, we want to go to battery. So once you are in the battery, you should see your battery usage. And as you guys can see, here we have all of the information. I am not a heavy user of my phone. That's why my app battery use is that low. But as you guys can see, if you click here on an app, here, background 3 minutes, battery of course 0% because it's not enough time. But what we can do here is we can restrict it. So we can click on don't allow and manage app battery usage. And now, the app will not run in the background. So this will save you some battery. It will stop draining. You just need to detect apps that are running heavily in the background. Now what you guys want to do is go over and do the same for most of the apps. Once you do it, it should be all good. And now we're gonna leave the battery usage and go to the display. So once you are in the display, there's a lot of options, but what we're interested in is our adaptive brightness. As you can see, you can easily just enable the adaptive brightness. It will work perfectly fine and also save your battery. Now after that, we're gonna go and of course go to display refresh rate. So here you can select smart and balanced. You can use hyper smooth or efficiency first. If you're really keen on saving your battery, you should go with efficiency first, but I would recommend using smart and balanced. So this will basically give you a good experience with your phone because you will have the smooth display practically all the time, but sometimes if you don't really need it, it will drop down to 60 Hz in order to save your battery. So smart and balanced is definitely one of the best options. And after that, what you guys can do is go over and let me just quickly leave this setting. We're gonna go and update our software as a last resort. So let's go to system updates, and after that click on check for updates. Now it is checking for the updates. It might take some time, but as you guys can see, everything looks good for me. I'm on the latest version. If you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. It is very important because you want to make sure that there's no auto glitches on the device. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.